Welcome to MeetEdgar's categories. Remember that category drop-down menu when you were adding your content in the last video? This is where these are established. Every piece of content you add to Edgar lives within its own category. You can create as many categories as you'd like, or every Edgar account comes with 5 default categories. You can find these by simply clicking the Categories tab from the upper navigation menu. These are General, My Blog Posts, Promotions and Specials, Quotes, and Recommended Reads. These default options are based on the types of social media we know work well out there. However, the true power of Edgar's categories comes into play when you're able to customize these categories to match your own brand's voice and strategy, connecting with your followers at the right place, at the right time, with the right kind of content. The social media trifecta. Categories are buckets of posts you want to send out to your followers throughout the day and throughout the week. Why does this all matter? Well, when you think about it, no one wants to follow a social media account that's just link after link or promotion after promotion. We want to get to know a brand in a variety of different ways. We suggest taking the tried and true 80-20 approach when it comes to posting on social. That is, 80% of your posts should be value-adding posts. This includes content like thought leadership articles about industry articles that you find related to your niche. This can also be things like inspirational or funny content that you post based on your brand persona. Yep, that is all a part of the 80%. Then 20% can be a little bit more promotional. This includes stuff like your tweets to a recent blog post, a call to action enticing people to sign up for your newsletter, or sharing a limited time promotion your brand is running. This approach makes social media and your presence there a place people want to hang out. It also makes the sales process much more elegant because you've proven your value to your followers. It's kind of like you're courting your followers. Think about it this way. You do not want to ask someone to marry you on the first date. That's crazy talk. You want to build a relationship, establish a rapport, and make sure that you have proven your value to improve your chances of getting that important yes. Same with your followers. You can also get really specific with your categories and do things like create a Motivational Monday category to start your followers out with some motivation every Monday morning. To do this, simply click to add in category right here. You can do something like name it in this section here, whatever makes sense for your brand. When you're doing that, make sure to uncheck this include when selecting random content to post. Click on save. You'll now see that new category has been established here. We'll go ahead and look at how you make sure that category only publishes on Mondays in the next video. Categories really help you create consistency. Consistently, you're giving your followers something to look forward to week after week. After all, they are following you, so they want to hear from you. Never forget that. Okay, guys, it's all important know, like, and trust factor being increased by creating a variety of different contents in your categories. In the next video, we are going to pop into making sure these categories are getting out to your followers on the schedule. See you in a minute.